This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Oceanfront. Absolutely stunning single-family home built in 2018 with top-of-the-line design features and details. Gorgeous open floor plan with wall of windows and doors offers 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, elevator and 5,856 square feet plus a 3-car garage and rooftop deck. Beautiful gourmet chef's kitchen with a large center island, spacious living area with a gas fireplace, wonderful plush primary suite and luxurious bathroom overlooking the ocean, additional first-floor recreation room and kitchen, lovely hardwood floors throughout and custom trim and moldings. This magnificent home is in mint move-in condition. For more information, review the details below.